Hello kids! Today we will learn the alphabet A to Z. Yes, so now let's start. A. A. Wow! B. Wow, amazing! C. Excellent! D. Amazing! Wow! So, now next. Yes! E. Wow! F. Amazing! G. Wow! Good job! H. Wow! How much fun! Are you enjoying? Yes! Wow! I. Wow! Amazing! J. Wow! Good job! K. Very nice! L. Wow! How much fun! Yes! Now, wow! Very nice! M. Very good! N. Good! Very good! O. Wow! O. Wow! P. Very nice! So next. Wow! Very beautiful! Q. Q. Wow! R. Wow! S. Very good! Excellent! T. Excellent! Wow! Very beautiful! Very nice! Wow! U. Wow! V. Very good! W. Wow! X. Very good! So next, yes! Next is Y and Z. Very beautiful, very nice. A. A is for ant. A is for ant. B. B. B is for bear. B is for bear. C. C. C is for cow. C is for cow. D. D is for duck. D is for duck. E. E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F. F. F is for fish. F is for fish. G. G is for giraffe. G is for giraffe. H. H is for hen. H is for hen. I is for iguana. I is for iguana. J is for jogger. J is for jogger. K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for monkey. N is for narwhal. N is for narwhal. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. P is for penguin. P is for penguin. Q is for coil. Q is for coil. R is for rhino. R is for rhino. S is for snake. S is for snake. T is for turtle. T is for turtle. U is for unicorn. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. V is for vulture. W is for walrus. W is for walrus. X is for extras. Y is for york. Y is for york. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Y is for york. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. तो प्यारे बच्चों, मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। A is for apple. Apple. A is for apple. Apple. Ball. Ball. B is for ball. Ball. C का cat. Cat. D da dog. Dog. E egg. Egg. F for frog. G का giraffe. 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 Hat. H hat. Hat. I insect. Insect. J jam. 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 Kite. K का kite. Lion. Lion. Mouse. Mouse. Nest. Owl. Penguin. Penguin. queen. Q का queen. Q का queen. Rocket. R rocket. R rocket. Snake. S snake. S snake. Train. T train. T train. Umbrella. U umbrella. U umbrella. Vase. V for vase. V for vase. Watch. W for watch. W for watch. Xylophone. Xylophone. Yo-yo. 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 Zipper. Z zipper. Z zipper. So please like my channel, share and subscribe. A is for apple. Apple. A is for apple. Apple. Ball. B ball. B is for ball. B ball. C का cat. C का cat. D dog. D dog. E egg. Egg. F for frog. F for frog. G का giraffe. G giraffe. Giraffe. Hat. H hat. H hat. I insect. Insect. J jam. J jam. J jam. Kite. K का kite. K का kite. Lion. L lion. L lion. Mouth. M mouth. M mouth. N nest. N nest. Owl. Owl. Penguin. 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 Queen. Q का queen. Q का queen. Rocket. R rocket. R rocket. Snake. S snake. S snake. Train. T train. T train. Umbrella. U umbrella. U umbrella. Vase. V for vase. V for vase. Watch. W for watch. W for watch. Xylophone. Xylophone. Yo-yo. 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 Zipper. Z zipper. Z zipper. So please Like my channel, share and subscribe. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Hi, hello kids. Today we learn the phonics. Apple. A apple. A apple. A double P L E apple. Where is apple? Ha, yes. Apple. There is apple. Yes. Ball. Ball. BALL ball. Ball. Where is ball, kids? Yes, this is ball. Very nice. C ka cat. C ka cat. Where is cat? Yes, cat is here. Cat. D dog. Dog. Yes. Where is dog? Yes. Dog. Dog. Wow, amazing. Very nice. Beautiful. Yes. Elephant. Elephant. Where is elephant? Yes. Where is elephant? ELEPHANT. Elephant. Where is elephant? Here. Yes. F for fish. 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 Where is fish? Yes. Fish. Wow, very nice. G ka grapes. 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 Yes, grapes. Excellent. Wow. Grapes. Wow. H her head. Hat. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. Hat. Wow. So next. Yeah. Wow. Ice cream. I-C-E, ice. C-R-E-A-M, cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Wow, ice cream. J. Juice. Juice. J-U-I-C-E, juice. Where is juice? Juice? Yes! Here! Juice. K. Kite. Kite. K-I-T-E, kite. Where is kite? Kite. Where is? Yes! Here. Come on. Kite. Yes! Kite. Line. Wow! Line. Yes! L-I-O-N. Line. Yes! Come on, line. Line. Wow! Well done. How much fun! Yes! Wow! M monkey. Monkey. M-A-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Monkey. Yes, monkey. Nest. Nest. Yes, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Where is orange? Yes, orange. Peacock. P-E-O-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, cook. Peacock. Yes, peacock. Wow. Very good. Excellent. Well done. So now next. Yes. Queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Where is queen? Yes, here. Queen. Wow, red. R-A-T, red. Where is red? Red, yes, here. red. Wow, sun. The source of energy, yes. Sun. S-U-N, sun. Sun. S-U-N, sun. Where is sun? Sun. Yes, where are you? Sun. Well done. Tiger. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Tiger. Yes, very good. Very nice. Very good. So next. Well done. Wow. Your umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. ya umbrella. Where is umbrella? Umbrella. Yes, here. Umbrella. Wow. Violin. Viva violin. 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 Wow. Watch. 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 Wow. Watch. X. Xylophone. X. Xylophone. X. YLO. Xylophone. Xylophone. Where is xylophone? Yes, very nice. So next. Wow. Y. Y-A-K. Yak. Y-A-K. Yak. Yes. Yak. Wow. Very good. Z. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Yes, that's a zebra. Very nice. Wow. Apple. Apple. Bicycle. Bicycle. C camera. Camera. Diamond. Diamond. Elephant. Elephant. F flower. Flower. Guitar. Guitar. H helicopter. Helicopter. Igloo. 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 Jacket. Jacket. K kite. Kite. Lamp. Lamp. Monkey. Monkey. Necklace. Necklace. Octopus. Octopus. Piano. Piano. Queen. Queen. Rainbows. Sunflower. Sunflower. Telescope. Telescope. Unicorn. Unicorn. Violin. Violin. Waterfall. Waterfall. Xylophone. Xylophone. Yacht. Zebra. रुके प्यारे बच्चों, मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और हाँ, शेयर करना मत भूलें। Apple. B butterfly. C cup.